In this video, we're going to show you how to clean a Starkey hearing aid. These hearing aids can come in custom or behind the ear, and they can be battery-based or rechargeable. So to get started, you'll need a package of cleaning wipes, a brush, and a package of filters. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to take our cleaning wipe and wipe down the hearing aid. So we'll go ahead and open up that package. And then we're going to take our hearing aid, and the first thing that you want to do is you want to identify where those microphones are. So up here at the top, this is your microphone. We want to make sure we keep our alcohol wipe away from that microphone so that it doesn't clog it up and make it stop working. We're going to wipe off our gold prongs to help with charging, because sometimes dirt and debris can build up on those. And then we'll wipe off the back side of our hearing aid and make sure that we get rid of all that dirt and debris. Next, we want to take our brush and we will gently sweep across that microphone cover there to remove any dirt and debris and buildup from the hearing aid. We'll also do the same over those gold prongs to make sure charging is at its best. Then we will want to change out our filter. So this little white dot here, this is your filter. Open up your package of filter sticks, they're yellow. So we will remove the filter stick from the package. One end will have a white filter on it, and the other side will be empty. We'll place the blank side into the hearing aid filter, gently press and pull it out, and then you're going to turn your filter stick over and put your new filter in place. And now you have successfully cleaned your hearing aid.